A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development for Philippine politics, the Supreme Court has ruled in favor of Vice President Sara Duterte, blocking an impeachment trial that could have jeopardized her political future. The court's unanimous decision, announced on Friday, stated that the impeachment complaint against Duterte was unconstitutional, citing a provision that prohibits multiple impeachment proceedings within a single year. This ruling comes after Duterte faced serious allegations, including misuse of government funds and threats against President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., her one-time ally. The impeachment complaint, filed by the House of Representatives in February, accused her of corruption and even an assassination plot against Marcos. The court's ruling provides a crucial reprieve for Duterte, who is widely seen as a strong contender for the presidency in 2028, a position that Marcos cannot contest due to a single-term limit. The legal battle has been closely watched, especially given the political tensions between Duterte and Marcos, which have escalated since they initially formed an alliance during the 2022 elections. The ruling means that Duterte is not absolved of the charges against her, but it does give her more time to build support for a potential presidential run. The Supreme Court emphasized that due process must be upheld during impeachment proceedings, reinforcing the constitutional limits against abuse of the process. The court's spokesperson, Camille Ting, stated that any new impeachment attempt against Duterte could only be introduced after February 6, 2026. This decision comes at a crucial time, as Duterte's political future hangs in the balance amid a backdrop of shifting alliances and a tumultuous political landscape in the Philippines. The impeachment proceedings against her were seen as politically motivated, stemming from a bitter feud with Marcos that has only intensified in recent months. The fallout from this rivalry has not only affected Duterte's political aspirations, but also put her father's legacy under scrutiny. Former President Rodrigo Duterte, who served from 2016 to 2022, is currently facing charges at the International Criminal Court for alleged crimes against humanity related to his controversial war on drugs. This legal predicament adds another layer of complexity to Sara Duterte's political journey as she navigates her own challenges. The Supreme Court's ruling is a significant moment in the ongoing saga of the Duterte-Marcos political relationship, which has seen both figures transition from allies to adversaries. The implications of this ruling extend beyond Sara Duterte's immediate political ambitions. They highlight the intricate dynamics of power and influence in Philippine politics. As the country gears up for the 2028 elections, all eyes will be on how Duterte maneuvers through the political landscape and whether she can consolidate her support base in the face of ongoing challenges. The Supreme Court's decision has been welcomed by Duterte's defense team, who view it as a victory for the rule of law and a reinforcement of constitutional protections against political persecution. However, the road ahead remains fraught with uncertainty as the political landscape continues to evolve. With Duterte's legal battles and her father's ongoing issues, the coming years will be critical for her as she seeks to establish herself as a formidable candidate in the next presidential race. As the dust settles on this latest legal battle, the Philippines is left to ponder the future of its political leadership and the potential for change in the years to come. The outcome of this saga will undoubtedly shape the narrative of Philippine politics in the lead-up to the 2028 elections. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.